Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have covered up many of the things using many different languages and I hope you enjoy that. Previously on we have covered up many of the big videos as well, and in the previous video I have told you how to build an amazing e-commerce app and I hope you enjoy that video. We have also covered up many of the videos using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that videos as well. So today we are just working with React 18. In today's video I will be telling you basically what are programmatic redirects in React 18 and basically how you can work with these programmatic redirects, and I'll be telling you how we will be using this project from start to end. So this video will be really helpful and I hope you'll be understanding this programmatic redirects which we are building through React 18. And if you enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I'll be uploading more videos like that in future and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. You can also check my previous React 18 videos in which I have telling you different things and we have built different projects as well. Like we have just built what are list in the previous video. I've telling you basically what are list in React 18. You can check that out. And we have also covered up many of the big videos using Next.js, 13, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many other languages. And previously on I have also covered up JavaScript tutorial in which I have given you all the details using JavaScript, and I hope when you will be watching that video, so you will be learning many of the things related to JavaScript, and I hope you will be just also being a full stack developer by watching that video of JavaScript. So just I hope you'll be understanding this video also of React 18 in which we are just working with programmatic redirect. So if you have understand, hit a like. If you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell and share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit. So just I'll be now starting with our video and seeing basically how to work with these programmatic redirects in React 18 from start to end. So just like I've told you, we'll be just working with React 18 and we'll be just building an amazing project. So today we are working with React 18 and building this amazing project here. And basically I will be telling you what project we are building and how we will be working with this programmatic redirect. So now we'll be starting with our video and basically we'll be seeing how we can work with this programmatic redirects in React 18. So for building this here, I'll be opening my VS Code. And after opening your VS Code here, you have to open your folder. So my folder was in localdisk C, which we have created in the first React 18 video. So I will be opening this app1 folder that was. So I'll be pressing this and selecting folder. I'll be pressing to open my folder. This is my folder of app1 which I have created. These are the two main files which we will be using. So first of all, we have to run it. So I'll be writing the command of npm start to run my React 18 or React app, like you all know that. Now we'll be working with these two files here in this video here of programmatic redirect. So I will be now opening these all files. So I'll be dragging dropping this. Now these are the all previous video work which we have done. So I'll be erasing these all things from here. After erasing, just I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving down. Then I'll be saving these both files here. You can see now I've saved all these things here. After saving, we'll be working with this here. So now you can see we are getting the command of npm start. So it will be taking some time to run your React app. We'll be also changing the title here because in the previous video we have learned about submit events and list. So here just I'll be changing the title as well, but before that we have to see that it is running or not. You can see starting development server means our development server has been started here, so we have to now work with this. So here I will be opening and then I will be now doing it side by side. So I will be now getting my coding side at the left and at the right I will be getting my interface side. Now when you are getting all this stuff, you can see we are getting again the command of development server. Now it is saying that compiled successfully means our browser is working and it is not giving any error on our server. So just I'll be closing this and I'll be changing the title. Today we are learning about programmatic redirects. So here I will be now writing programmatic redirects like this. Now save this. You can see now I've just written this programmatic redirects here at the top. Now when you've written this, just I will be closing this here, and then I will be now closing this folder as well because now we have worked with this. So now for working with programmatic redirects, we have to now work with some of the things here. So now just we have to make some of the tags to work with this project. So for working with this here, we have to make a tag here. So for making this tag, you have to now just write a tag which is called animation effect. So here you have to give animation effect to your project. So you have to write this. Now in animation effect, if I write here, this is good, save here, you can see now it is showing me error like animation effect is not defined, means that we have not defined at the top. You can import this tag as well, but if you don't want to import, so you can directly give here. Programmatic redirect means that you have to give animation to your text here. So for giving animation to your text, just you have to save it. Now it is not showing any error. I will be writing a h1 tag In H1 I will be just writing here like programmatic redirects, which is our project name, like this. Now save it. We are getting programmatic redirects. I'll be moving here. In H1 I will be just writing here font family, in which I will be just writing Poppins, because we have used Poppins font family in previous videos as well. Save it. You can see now font family has been changed. I will be taking this in center, and I will be giving the you can say padding top, which should be like 220. So here I will be now writing save. You can see now, if I show you, we are getting this text in the center of the page here, you can see, which is looking good. Now when you're getting, if you want to give animation to your text, so you have to write here uh, animation. Okay, so for giving the text animation, here you have to now just move here, and then here you have to write hover. And after writing hover, I will be now just writing letter spacing 2 pixel. So now if I just hover on this, you can see now when I'm hovering, so its letter spacing is increasing here. You can see how good looking is this. So now when you're getting these all stuff, I will be just doing one thing. I will be now moving here, and after moving here I will be just basically doing one thing. I will be changing my text color here. So you can see here we are just giving the animation. You can see when I'm just hovering on this, we are getting the letter spacing. So I want to give that, I want to give more letter spacing, so we can just see it more good looking. You can see now when I'm pressing, it is having more letter spacing. So I want that the cursor should be pointer when I hover. So I'll be writing cursor pointer, and then I will be also writing 0.9 as should be its transition. Then if I just press this, you can see now slowly it is increasing its letter spacing, which is looking awesome. You can see this, how good looking is this. So like this, you can just give this animation effect using programmatic redirects. You can see this. Now here you can also just give some of the other effects here using this programmatic redirects. Like if I move down and want to give any other effect here, so you can just give that. Like if I want to get this background change, so I will be writing here crimson save, and then after saving, just you can see its background is also changing, but it is not changing at the back, it is changing from the H1. So just you have to save from here. You can see we are getting the letter spacing animation here as well. Now when you're getting these all things, you can see how good looking is this. So like this, you can just give these animation effects here using programmatic redirects. Now you can just also move here, and then you can change its color as well, means text color. So here you can just change this text color to green, so you can see this. Now if I hover on this, so its text color is also changing, and it is also increasing it letter spacing, you can see, which is the animation effect which we have given through programmatic redirects. You can also just do more of the things using programmatic redirects, like if you want to increase its width, or if you want to just set many of the things in this, like if you want to just give it the color, so you can just also give that all stuff. Then you can also give the border here. If I just give, if I write border 1 page solid, and I will be now just writing here blue, save. Now you can see we are also getting the border effect here. You can see this like this when I'm hovering on this, but this border effect is not looking too much good here, so you can just remove this as well. Now you can also give the box shadow here, so it will be looking good. So you can just write here 0, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, 0, save. Now if if I just save it here, and after saving, if I just hover on this, you can see this, we are getting the box shadow as well at the back. So like this, you can just set up these all stuff here. So now here I will be moving, and you can see we are just getting all this thing. So here you can write 0 pixel, and then here also as well I will be writing save. And then here I will be just now hovering on this. You can see we are getting at the back the box shadow. So like this, we can work with this programmatic redirects. I hope you understand how we can just work with this. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well if you want to learn more about things using React and React.js. I'll be bringing up more videos in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. So just I'll be meeting you next video with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using React and React 18. So for today, goodbye.